Welcome to the NEWSTART kitchen. I'm Margaret Gallant, and today we're making garlic salt. You might ask, why garlic salt? Well, when we're making NEWSTART recipes, we want to have really good seasonings. And a lot of recipes call for garlic salt, onion salt, and celery salt. So I make my own so I know what kind of salt I'm putting in it. That's really an important ingredient. So today we're going to make garlic salt using 3 tablespoons of garlic powder to 1 tablespoon salt. And so it's a 3-to-1 ratio. And all you do is mix it together. And stir it up really well. And then what I like to do, I like to use my recycled jars and I mark them, and this says garlic salt. I'm going to put this in, and then I'm going to put it in my pantry, and then we'll be set when my recipes call for garlic salt. So I hope this helps you start your pantry, and I'm looking forward to doing some more cooking with you. And here we go. That was easy. You can do that with onion and celery salt.